We would never eat our household cleaning products or skincare products. So then why do we rub them on our bodies and inhale their fumes into our lungs? These chemicals go into our bodies through our lungs and our skin as if we ate them. We have different organs in our bodies, such as our lungs and stomachs. Our stomach absorbs what it's fed and sends that through our bodies. Our lungs absorb what we breathe in and sends that through our bodies. Our skin is the biggest organ in our body, and like our other organs, our skin is absorbent like a sponge. Our skin absorbs water, it absorbs vitamin D from the sun, it absorbs nutrients, and it also absorbs chemicals. Again, we would never eat the chemicals found in common household cleaning products, and we would never eat the contents of common skincare products and hair products. We know that the chemicals in those products would be absorbed in our stomachs, cause potentially dangerous adverse effects within our bodies, and would be hazardous to our health. So of course we don't eat them. But there are other ways for those chemicals to enter our bodies. They can be absorbed by our lungs and skin. Airborne chemicals from products like cleaning products, candles, fragrances, and aerosol sprays are absorbed into our lungs and sent through our bodies. The contents of soaps, moisturizers, toothpaste, hair products, and makeup are absorbed into our skin and sent through our bodies. And it's not just a negligible amount that's absorbed into our bodies, it's a sizable amount. 60% of our skincare absorbs into our bloodstreams. So then, since our skin and lungs absorb products into our bodies too, if we wouldn't eat that home or body product, we also probably shouldn't use it in our homes, put it in the air we breathe, or put it on our bodies. We don't need to be chemists and know every ingredient in our home and body products that we're in the habit of using. All we need to know and remember is this edible? Can I eat this? Is this food? If the answer to these questions is no, that's a clear indication that our bodies can absorb harmful chemicals from the product. If our answer is yes, this is edible, then we can rest assured that that product is non-toxic and safe to put on and around our bodies. Unfortunately, commercial brands tend to be made of inedible substances, even including toxic chemicals. Some chemicals negatively impact our bodies immediately. Other toxins build up over time, leading to things like cancer. But we don't have to use store-bought products. We can make our own chemical-free products at home using simple, edible, chemical-free ingredients. We can make our own non-toxic toothpaste, deodorant, makeup, household cleaners, laundry detergent, and so on, using things like baking soda, vinegar, healthy oils, and other edible foods too. In my next few videos, I'll share the healthy home and body product alternatives that my family and I use and that more and more people are starting to make and use for themselves. If you'd like to make your own chemical-free toothpaste, deodorant, laundry detergent, makeup, and so on, you can use my workbook for several chemical-free product recipes and to maintain a consistent mixing routine. And if you'd like, you can attend my live online mixing parties where we mix our own chemical-free products in a fun group environment. You can find these on my website, and I've placed links to these in the description below, because we don't have to be stuck with the ingredients in commercial products. We can make our own natural, non-toxic home and body products and absorb safe, healthy nutrients into our bodies instead. Remember, if it's safe for the inside, it's safe for the outside. But if you can't eat it, avoid putting it on you and around you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.